What do we think about when we hear the name of Gordon Ramsay? Well, he's famous for his legendary temper in the kitchen, but aside from being the owner of a multi-million-dollar restaurant business, Gordon Ramsay has also built an incredible TV career. In the past decade, he has become the world's most famous chef. His empire stands at incredible $220 million. But how did he manage to achieve everything that he has today? Gordon Ramsay credits his success to all the hardships he had as a child. Those struggles lighted a fire inside of him to make it. He grew up in a troubled home. He was raised by an alcoholic father and a mother who worked as a cook during the day and as a nurse at night. During his childhood years, his family moved a lot because his father couldn't keep a job. He might have changed more than 17 schools. Sadly, Gordon Ramsay witnessed his mother suffering both physically and emotionally because of his father. His father had a really short temper and would often raise a hand on his mother. And Gordon wasn't spared from his anger. One time he was even afraid for his life. There were instances where the police were called to take him away. Mom was taken to the hospital while we kids were taken to a children's home. Not many people know, but Gordon Ramsay's first love was actually football. As a teenager, he played football professionally until a knee injury ended his ambitious dreams. Disappointed, he went back to school, earned a degree in hotel management, and ventured into culinary. He began learning by working under some of the top chefs in Europe at that time. They became his mentors. In 1998, Gordon Ramsay opened his first self-named restaurant that in no time got 3 Michelin stars. In 2011, his restaurant was listed as the second best restaurant in the UK. Since then, Gordon Ramsay has opened more than 50 establishments, and over 35 of them are still open today. So aside from building a multi-million-dollar restaurant business, Gordon Ramsay built an incredible TV career and proved himself as a talented showman. Today, his empire stands at impressive $220 million. That scared boy is not afraid anymore. So remember something. Leave your failures behind you and don't compare yourself with others. We are all different. Life might have dealt you a bad hand, I know, but instead of feeling angry about it, figure out what your personal strengths are and focus on them, or even create new ones. Gordon Ramsay decided to make a good life, become a great father, and build an incredible success despite everything. It is possible for you. So find what you're good at. Find that fire again that makes you unstoppable. Invoke your Gordon Ramsay within and change your destiny. So, what's your story?